So hello guys, this is my first video on making an aura empire, and in this video I will show my progress of what I have done in creating my aura empire. So let me get that open real quick. This aura clicker, it's similar to a cookie clicker, but instead it's more aura. So this is my whole aura clicker thing until now. At first we start with a variable that is aura. It's like the main currency you have. The currency is measured in aura, and every time you click you get one aura. And then we have a shop. I have built a shop that has a basic upgrade cost of 10 auras. So this file it's running while to print. It's just like a line. Then print aura, and then it shows the amount of aura I have. Then it prints click power, which is just the click power I have, literally. Like it's the main menu. Like imagine at the corner of a game, and you see some stuff that tells you what you have, etc. And then the upgrade cost, this upgrade cost increases, and now this thing will appear and asking stuff like the menu, like see this click, shop, this shop upgrade, quit. Now this is where the main gameplay is actually beginning. If choice equal to C, if I press C and then click enter, then I get plus aura based on the click power. Then it prints it prints the like +1 +2 like that click power aura. And if I choose the option S, this is the shop upgrade. I don't know why it's not showing S, so I just clicked S. Hope you understand.